In the previous lecture, we were discussing about the voltage parameter. Now, we see in this circuit the input is low. Low means we are giving the 0 and getting the high value of the output because the gate is working as a inverter. When we give the 0, we get the 1 at the output. Then the corresponding output is VOH. That is the VOH means when we are getting the low input at this level, we are getting the low input at this level. Then again after the inverting, we get the higher output at this level VOH. That is the minimum level. Input is low, output is high. Because voltage corresponding is minimum, then definitely the voltage corresponding at the output will also minimum. Now this output goes to the another NOT gate. For this NOT gate, this output works as an input. This input is the higher, this input is the higher value of the voltage. Then we will get, this is the input portion, this is the output portion. Here this is the input is the higher value, this is input is the higher of logic 1 and voltage corresponding is minimum. We will get the output is very low, high, output is low. This output low is the maximum value of voltage at logic 0, VOL. Here is VOL. Then this voltage corresponding to logic 0 goes to the input in a inverter circuit where it is worked as a VIL. The logic low when output is low, but the corresponding voltage is maximum. That is very simple. Next we will discuss the current parameter. In the same, the current parameter IIL low level input current, IIH low level input high level input current, IOL low level output current, IOH high level output current. The same, when the current when the input is high, output is low. This is input at low level. This is the output at low level. This is the input at low level and output goes to high. Again if we say the input is low, output is high, corresponding current is high, for the next gate this value is same because the current is same in series. This is input is high. Next is noise immunity. Noise immunity means what should be the ability of the circuit to tolerate the noise signal. कोई भी सर्किट कितने नॉइस सिग्नल को टॉलरेट कर सकता है. दिस इट शोज द नॉइस इम्यूनिटी ऑफ द सर्किट. वेरी सिंपल टू फाइंड आउट. इफ दैट इज द इनपुट, इफ वी से दिस इज द इनपुट and this is the output, we are getting the logic 0 for the high voltage of VIL, the maximum input logic for the maximum voltage, input logic, output logic for the minimum voltage. If we are giving the input at the maximum voltage and getting the input at the minimum voltage, it means there is a difference between the voltage, and we represent this is the low voltage, and it shows that is the noise because we are getting the logic 0 at the high voltage and receiving the logic 0 at the low voltage. It means there is the noise because we are not getting the same voltage corresponding to output. The same principle is here. If we giving the higher voltage at logic 1, and getting the output if we are giving the higher voltage at the minimum, and getting the higher voltage at the maximum, means there is the noise between the output. This is called the noise margin. How could be the noise margin that can any circuit tolerate? this could be maximum for the output when is high, VOH minimum minus VIH minimum. This is the VOH minimum minus VOH minimum. For the low level, VIL maximum minus VIOL maximum. That is very easy. Next is operating temperature. Operating temperature means generally IC operate on 0 to 70 degree centigrade for the commercial purpose. If we increase the temperature above this temperature, the IC could be damaged. It means the maximum operating temperature of the IC is 0 degree to 70 degree centigrade. Now these are the characteristics of digital logic families. For the next topic we will discuss in next lecture. Thank you.